Okay, guys, we just had a frozen storm overnight, and that ground is literally frozen, or all the. You can just. It's so cool. But yeah, I was playing basketball. Me and my brother were playing basketball yesterday, and he got the ball stuck in the hoop. You need to see this, guys. It froze, and he got it stuck in the hoop. So yeah, it's insane. It's crazy. We're just out here right now. Ice everywhere. It's so funny. Like, we're gonna see if we can get the basketball down, guys. So yeah. Huh. No way, he almost got it, guys. The asphalt's probably frozen, but yeah. He almost got it. All right, see y'all next time. Make sure you like.